What's up, y'all? So in this next set of videos, we are going to be starting over from scratch, from the beginning, from A and going to Z. Not really, we're not going to be doing that. We're going to be going, no, we're not going to be doing that either. In this series of videos that we've got coming out, we are going to be going over Locksmithing 101. We're going to be going over everything that I don't want to. Hi, I'm Jason. In the next set of videos, we're going to be starting from scratch. With keys. No, that's not a good idea. Oh! I may have inadvertently called y'all hoes. Okay, there we go. We're going to start off with residential stuff like rekeying. And we're going to be doing a series of videos, hopefully every day. That's a pretty tall order for me, but we're probably going to try, maybe almost assuredly, possibly going to be putting out a video rekeying residential styles of locks. But first, you kind of have to know the basics, the straight up basics. We're going all the way back. We're going back to the fact that you don't know shit about locks or anything. So to start off with, just memorize that board, and we'll see after a while. We are going to start back. I really do need a new one of these. I hope they come out with this book pretty soon. I know they're working on it. We're going to start with Locksmithing 101. Go all the way back to the beginning, starting at A, starting in the beginning of time, starting with literally what is a key. We're going to start a series of videos, like I've promised, on locksmithing. Oops. And what to do for different applications. Now, I will say this, and I've said this in many videos, and I've actually covered probably pretty much everything that we're going to be going over. But I've never really started a whole series with a playlist and everything, with links and all sorts of stuff that you can boop to see the next set. But I've never really done that. I've done it in videos, and I've kind of brought it up over the years as I've been doing videos, but I've never really laid it all out. So what this will be is a free, that's right, a completely free locksmithing course, starting with what is a key. What is a key, Jason? Jason, what the hell is a key? It's a thing that you put in a lock to unlock something, and you're going to learn about it. You're going to learn how to take apart locks, and maybe some of y'all. I know a lot of y'all are locksmiths, and you may not get crap out of these videos, so you don't have to watch them. I mean, this is hardcore beginner stuff right here. This is for those folks that are out there. Maybe they've been doing automotive all their life. Maybe they've never touched a quickset knob to rekey it. This is what that's for. This series of videos is for those who have not ever really taken apart a lock or don't really know what to do. And like I said, some of y'all, I know a lot of y'all are trading locksmiths or people who know how to take apart a quickset lock, know how to rekey a lock. So, this series may not be for you. You can enjoy some of our other nonsense videos. But I do feel like I need to go ahead and get this playlist out. And I'll try my best every week or every day. Did I say every day? I meant every week. Every so often, whenever I literally have a chance to do it, to put these videos out on going through and say rekeying a quickset knob and deadbolt, rekeying a wiser knob and deadbolt, etc., because there is a large number of different residential locks in the U.S. market that you may run across, even a mixture of them on houses. So yeah, we're going to be starting off basically with the series of videos on how to identify certain things, how to identify keys. One of the biggest things involved with that is, yes, learning your key book. So if you don't have, I would almost say if you don't have one of these, wait until the new one comes out. And I don't even know if these are like available right now. Some companies might still have them, but we're skipping all the vehicle. You're not going to see me rekeying any Hondas. You're not going to see me doing any of that. There are other channels out there that you can watch that do that. But there's also other channels out there that you can watch, learn how to take apart a quickset lock. But I feel like I need to go ahead and get this series of videos out just so in the future if somebody says, hey, Jason, how do I do this? Maybe I'll have one more video that I can link to. But literally, as a locksmith, this is the Bible. This is one of the most important books that you'll ever put your hands on, and you need to know it front and back. You need to know how to cross-reference tailor numbers to, even though you don't see a lot of those keys anymore. What if you buy a batch of keys on eBay and they're all tailor numbered keys? You're going to need this book to cross-reference what they are and what they fit nowadays. So basically, the very first probably 1 or 2 videos are going to be going over just keys in general. I'm going to try to keep that to just maybe 1 video because, again, a lot of us know this, but some of us don't. And there's way more keys out there than that could be feasibly covered in one 10 to 15 minute videos. I'm going to try to keep all these videos down to. Yep, this is the beginning video of that whole set of videos. I hope y'all enjoy. Even if you're not interested in any of this stuff that I'm about to talk about in the future videos on Locksmithing 101, I don't think I'm going to call them that. I gotta come up with some kind of title or whatever for this set of videos. But if you're not interested in any of it, if you know how to rekey a quickset lock, then just hit that like button. I appreciate it. And move on. You don't have to worry about it. Just be like, oh, Jason did another dang video that I already know about, but I'm going to hit that like button anyway. We do now have a thank you type button. But if you are so able to contribute, if we're helping you in any way with your business and you feel like you want to contribute anything, be sure and hit that super thanks button up there at the top where the title is. And also, I'm also going to be trying to link in some of the other videos that I've done over the years. So when we talk about quickset, I literally have a whole quickset playlist. When I talk about Wiser, I've literally got a whole Wiser playlist. So aside from the videos that I'll be putting out, there are older videos out there, some of which are kind of cringy to me. So this is a way we'll kind of update all that and let us just move forward from where we are. And hopefully you'll learn a little bit. I can only teach how I do things in the locksmith world. There's a zillion different ways to do things, but what I'm going to be doing is just showing you how I do it. Now, I fully expect comments to come flooding in during this set of videos saying, no, that's not how you do that. No, don't do that. I can't believe that you're an idiot, you schmuck. But I'm fully prepared to accept that. Because the way I do things has worked. You may be doing things differently as long as you come to the same end result of having a professionally rekeyed lock. It doesn't matter what train you take to get there if they're all going to the same station at the same time, relatively speaking. The same results, the end results, as long as they're the same and they're like they're supposed to be. It doesn't matter how the process happens. Like I said, some people do things one way, some do it different. I may use one tool, you may use a different type of tool. I'll try to really cover that as I go. But again, I hope y'all enjoy. If you're not interested in any of the videos, please hit the like button on them and move on and just think to yourself, I wish Jason would get back to Locksmithing 102, because after I get done, or after I feel like I'm done doing this set of videos, I really want to refocus back in on Locksmithing 102, because that's the better part. Anyway, thanks for watching this, and stay tuned. I've got to get a new mount set up, because you guys who have been following my channel for a while know that my lock mount is incapable of doing what it needs to do right now. So there's that. Anyway, thanks again, and we'll see you soon. See you soon. You ready to get started? You ready to get to work? You ready to get to learning? This is an education channel, damn it, Jason. Stop screwing around with unboxings and graphite bombs. I didn't say that. Graphite things and catapults. It's ridiculous. Go back to what you're supposed to be doing. Teaching us. So here we go. Not yet. I haven't even got the first video filmed. This is literally the first video. So here we go. As soon as you see the next video come out.